Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely tea and to cleanse your lungs, and you get better in 3 days. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. So what I have here, I have a lemon, some ginger. I'm going to use some of this. And in here, one of the most powerful herbs on the planet Earth, and this is ground merengue. Then I'm going to combine it with cloves. Cloves, I'm going to put it in the pot. But before I go any further, cloves is very good for anti-inflammatory and may help chronic disease. So it's have antibacterial property, help with fungal strain, and it's a natural pain remedy. Also, it's a natural antiseptic, and it's also have anti-cancer property in it. It's also good for your liver, good for your blood sugar. And then I'm going to add some cinnamon also. And cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's good for brain function, have heart health component in it. The merengue, simple as you see in the merengue, which is growing mostly hot country. The merengue have more vitamin C than even the lemon, have more potassium than even the banana, contain iron, vitamin C, A, E, and also B6, magnesium, protein, and it's very good for stress. I'm going to combine everything together and make a wonderful medicine. So stay tuned. First, I'm going to take a piece of this. You can use a knife or you can use a peeler, whatever you prefer to use. You can get a peeler and just try to, a little bit easier, take the skin off. Also, I have another video coming out with some herbs that's really good for brain health. So in this, I'm gonna chop this up. I'm gonna put this in. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in it. You can use the ground cinnamon or the cinnamon stick. You'll get the same result. Then I'm going to pour hot water over this. And I'm going to bring it to a boil. At this point, I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. Then don't throw this away. Just going to cut this, add this in. Then I'm going to cover it. Let it boil for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Now as you see, this is boiling. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the merengue last. So I'm going to turn the fire off at about this because it's very strong. In, give it a bit of stir. Cover it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now it is finished. Remove the lid. And then I'm gonna strain it off. So I'm gonna put it in this. Then I'm gonna get my cup here. And that's my tea ready. This is very good for your lungs. If you have any lungs problem, cold, fever, I'll drink this for 3 days, especially in the morning on empty stomach. And then during the day, you follow up with a couple more cups of tea. This is what it looked like. Cheers. Wow. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace be.